to MITOSIS Studios. We have a great program lined up for you tonight. Firstly, here's an in-depth look into mitosis and... Hold up. Hold the phone. I'm just getting reports that our reporter Isabella Cunningham has got a live cell. Repeat, we have a live cell. Isabella, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, Stella, loud and clear. Loud and clear.
Right now, Isabella, what is your current situation?
Well, I was just out exploring, hunting in the area, looking for some cells, and I found this beauty. Crikey! Now I've got to move quickly, Stella, because it's about to go into mitosis.
All right, Isabella, over to you.
Well, thank you for joining us today, Lucy. We know how precious your time here in Interphase is. I believe you spend 90% of your life in that phase. Is that correct?
Yeah, I've been living in Interphase for the majority of my life now. But we all grow up, time to leave the nest, move into prophase.
Yes, prophase. Now, that's the next stop on the mitosis train. Tell us about that.
Well, my chromatid condensers, as you can see, if you're classy enough to have a light microscope.
Oh, well,
My nucleus goes walkabout. God knows when I'll see that again. The centriole moves to the other side of my body, gives me so much grief you have no idea. And then my mitotic spindle is formed from some fibres that cross my body.
Good grief! That sounds like quite an ordeal, Lucy.
Mate, we haven't even got to metaphase.
Well, metaphase, why don't you tell us a bit about that?
Well, them things that I mentioned, spindle fibres, well, they tend to align the chromosomes, them little X-shaped rascals you keep hearing about.
Yes, I know them.
Along the middle of the cell. Now, I've coined the term metaphase plate, just something I came up with. This helps make sure that the next phase, each new nucleus will receive one copy of each chromosome.
Oh, that's smart. Well, there must be more phases. You can't just stop there. What's next?
Too right, Isabella, too right. Now, anaphase, this is bloody painful. The centromere is split in half.
Oh, God!
Oh, now, this lets the chromatids separate and move towards the south pole and the north pole. And they're tugged by these things called kinesin proteins, which walk along microtubules. Now, think of it as a motor driving along a track. A good old V8. Now, mitochondria, sounds like me ex-wife, they provide energy for the movement for what just happened. No, she never gave me much movement.
Oh, well, yes! That sounds very interesting. I hope they're not all your phases aren't as intense as that. Good
Next
gosh.
one's telophase. I'm in a bit of a hurry to try and wind it up. These spindle fibres, you may remember, those from metaphase, those bad boys disperse. And along come the chromosomes joining the party, and then I form this crazy thing called a nucleoli. Reminds me of ravioli. And that's how I remember it.
What a great memory you have.
Oh, thank you, Isabella.
Oh, gosh. Well, that phase was nice and simple. Now, I believe from what I've been told that the last one is called cytokinesis. What can you tell us about that phase, Lucy?
Oh, yeah, this is the last one, thank God, although this one, well, I don't know if you even want to hear about this.
Oh.
Actin filaments, that's a protein.
A protein?
They form a ring around the equator of the cell, which is me. They form a ring around me like a hula hoop.
Oh.
And then they squeeze, and they tighten, and they tug, and they form a cleavage furrow. Like a cleavage furrow.
Yes, I can
and
see
it
that.
cuts me straight in half.
Oh, gosh!
Now there are two of them, simple as that.
Yes. Well, that was definitely simple.
Right, mate, better be off. I've got some mitosising to do.
Well, thank you very much.
Lovely meeting you.
For talking to us. Thank you here from MITOSIS Studios. We're very happy to have you. Well, Stella, that was definitely a journey I will never forget in my life. Such a great experience. I think I'll head back to you. I'm getting a bit emotional.
Thanks for for that, Isabella. That was a lesson I'm sure I and all the viewers will cherish forever. That's all from us tonight at MITOSIS Studios. Tune in next week when we'll be learning about the meiosis. See you then.